we always say that, so doing one thing is always better rather than multitasking. But sometimes there is a situation you have to be a multitasker. So based on your experience and based on your uh, the understanding, so how would you suggest us, or how would you ask us to become a multitasker when times require?
Agreed. Agreed. Let us first understand what is multitasking. There is a book called The Myth of Multitasking. What we think is multitasking is actually task switching. It's not multitasking, task switching. मतलब क्या? Actually जब मैं ड्राइव भी कर रहा हूँ ना, I know ड्राइविंग करते वक्त म्यूजिक सुनना कुछ गलत नहीं है, I know, right? But actually when I'm driving at a speed of say 100 kilometers per hour, I'm actually not listening to the music. And when I shift my focus to music, I'm not actually focusing on driving. Driving happens at a mechanical level, at the subconscious level, because I've been driving for many years, right? तो वो switch tasking है. अभी होता क्या है इसमें, सपोज एक आपके घर के जो सीलिंग फैन है, ठीक है, उसको 1 घंटे में आप 5-5 मिनट पे ऑन करो और ऑफ करो, 5-5 मिनट में, और दूसरा सिनेरियो में ऑन करके 1 घंटा चालू रखो. कौन से केस में बिल ज्यादा आएगा? पहले केस में, because when you switch on, it takes the power to increase the speed. When you switch off, again the power gone. Again you switch on, it again has to pick up the speed. उस चक्कर में बिल ज्यादा आएगा. Exactly वही होता है when you switch your focus from task 1 to task 2. You are paying a huge penalty. And when you realign your mind from task 2 to task 1, almost half of the energy goes to realign, to recalibrate your mind. वो इतना फास्ट होता है और इतना सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे होता है, आपको समझता नहीं. हमको लगता है कि हम दोनों काम एक साथ कर रहे हैं, पर नहीं हो रहा है वैसे. इट इज स्विच टास्किंग. देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड मल्टीटास्किंग. ऑलराइट. सो वहां पे हमको, इफ अगर आप कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट काम कर रहे हो और अचानक बॉस बोलता है कि नहीं आपको ये करना है, तो यू हैव टू आस्क योर बॉस कि which work has to be done first. What is the priority? Every boss would love to hear this from his subordinate, कि which work or activity has to be done first. I know everything is important, but now what should be prioritized first? So prioritizing your work is more important than working. सिर्फ काम नहीं करना है हमको, कौन सा काम पहले करना है और कौन सा काम क्रिएटिवली प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करना है. There is a wonderful phrase called creative procrastination. Not all procrastination is bad.
Right.
You have to procrastinate some tasks so that you can focus on the most prioritized task.
Okay, so prioritizing task is
Prioritizing is important, yeah, and that will take care of your so-called multitasking.
Okay, म्हणजे ultimately सगळे problems त्याच्यातून solve होतील आणि कामही पूर्ण होईल.
Yes. I will recommend the book The Myth of Multitasking. Needless to mention, I have summarized in booklet app.
Sure. Thanks, Amrut.